Hey, let me show you one magic in action. Here's a customer and there is outstanding amount, correct? And you have been assigned to find out below customer the outstanding amount. And here is one trick that in data it is given the customer full name and but you in here you have given only the short name. Then how will you find? You cannot use VLOOKUP. That if you look up what it is, if it matches exact, then only it will provide the results, correct? And then what options you have? Either you can do manually, and second option you can VLOOKUP with approximate match, but that will not give you the accurate results. Option 3, you can use VLOOKUP plus left function plus asterisk function, that will give you the accurate results. Let me show you how. VLOOKUP, look, instead of lookup value I will use left function text. I want to match only 4 characters. If 4 character matches, then then it will give me the result. Okay. And one more, the and only if I want to fix this 4 character, if 4 character matches, then it will give me the results. So I will use one more function, that is asterisk function, which is also called wildcard in Excel. Asterisk, what asterisk is do, it will lock the 4 character and see in data it is matches or not, then it will give me the accurate. If I don't use the asterisk function, it will not, if it only means Ashu, if in data if it is not find Ashu, then it will not give me the result. Okay, but if I give asterisk, then it will give me the accurate results. Open bracket, asterisk, close bracket, table array, column index number 2, 0. That's it. Thank you so much.